Love has always been human. It's messy, emotional, unpredictable. But what happens when artificial intelligence enters the equation? Can AI actually change how we fall in love or who we fall in love with? We already live in a world where algorithms decide who we meet. Dating apps use AI to predict compatibility, analyzing behavior, preferences, and even micro-expressions. But it doesn't stop there. Now, AI companions can simulate emotional connection, remembering details, responding empathetically, and learning your personality over time. To the human brain, that feels real. Psychologists call this the illusion of intimacy. Our emotions respond to connection, even if it's digital. And when an AI is trained to comfort you, listen without judgment, and never reject you, it's easy to see why people are forming deep bonds with artificial companions. But here's the deeper question. If it feels like love, does it matter that it's not human? AI isn't replacing love, it's reshaping it. We're learning that connection isn't just about biology, it's about understanding, presence, and emotional intelligence, qualities that AI can mimic but not feel. So as AI grows more advanced, will we use it to enhance human connection or to replace it? AI can help us learn empathy, communication, and trust. But love will always be the most human algorithm of all. I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, where we explore how technology is not just changing the world, it's changing us.